In this video, we'll compare two big rivals, the Levoit Core 300 and the Medify MA-25. At first glance, these look very different, but in reality, they're very similar air purifiers. They cover rooms of similar dimensions, share some mutual features, use quality filters, and both are very popular. However, there will only be one winner, and you'll find out which one in the following video. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. The first thing we want to mention is room coverage, which is almost identical. The Levoit Core 300 covers rooms up to 219 square feet, while the Medify MA-25 covers slightly smaller rooms of up to 210 square feet. Both devices have control panels located on the top and contain touch buttons and indicators. A unique characteristic of the Medify is the control panel made of tempered glass. Both devices are of fairly good quality when it comes to construction and build quality. The Levoit comes with a 2-year warranty, while the Medify comes with a lifetime warranty if you subscribe to replacement filters directly on the Medify website. These two devices don't have many advanced options, but still have enough for optimal everyday use. Timer, display off, display lock, and filter reset indicator are options included in both devices. The Levoit has an additional sleep mode option. The lack of options such as air quality sensor, auto mode, and the like are evident. You can find more information about these two devices at airpurifierfirst.com. What makes these two devices even more different is the airflow. The Levoit is cylindrical and has openings for air intake located at the bottom side. The Medify is rectangular, and it has openings for air intake located on the sides. The filtered air on the Levoit comes out through the top, while in the Medify it exits from the front. When it comes to filtration, the most significant difference is that the Medify MA-25 uses a double filter mounted on the sides. The filters on the Medify are rectangular, while on the Levoit, the filter is cylindrical and hollow through the middle. Both devices use 3-stage filtration technology, which comprises of a pre-filter, True HEPA filter, and activated carbon filter. The fact that both devices use a True HEPA filter is commendable, especially since it's the primary stage of filtration. In essence, both devices use high-quality filters, which is confirmed by the results of our performance tests. You can find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. When testing noise, we first compare how many fan speeds the device has. In this case, the Levoit has 4 fan speeds, while the Medify has 3 fan speeds. What's more, the Levoit Core 300 has a sleep mode, in which it produces a sound of only 40.7 dBA, which is slightly less than the 41.8 dBA produced by the Medify MA-25 at its minimum speed. The situation is somewhat different at maximum speeds, where the Levoit is a bit louder. Both devices are noisy at max speed, which makes staying in a room while the air purifier is running at max speed almost impossible. Still, the Levoit Core 300 is a quieter air purifier, especially because of the sleep mode option. When it comes to power consumption, it's always important to mention the motor's power. The Medify MA-25 uses a motor of only 28 watts, while the Levoit Core 300 uses a motor of 45 watts. This means that if you used either of these two air purifiers at top speed, 24 hours a day, for 1 month, your electricity bill would be increased by about $2.30 in the case of the Medify, and about $3.80 in the case of the Levoit. However, in addition to the cost of electricity, there's also the cost of replacement filters, which is much higher for the Medify, and furthermore, the filters on the Medify have to be changed more often. If we consider the electricity consumption and the price of replacement filters, the Levoit Core 300 is much cheaper to maintain on an annual basis. The performance test is definitely the most exciting test in this comparison, especially since these two devices are designed for rooms of almost identical dimensions. In the first test, in a room of 194 square feet, the Medify MA-25 improved the air quality by about 94% in 60 minutes of working at max speed, while the Levoit improved the air quality by about 93% in the same conditions. In the second test, this time in a slightly larger room of 320 square feet, the Levoit improved the air quality by about 92%, while the Medify improved the air quality by about 91% in 60 minutes by working at max speed. Obviously, these two air purifiers had phenomenal results. In the following seconds, you'll find out which air purifier will clean the smoke from the smoke box faster. To summarize, these two air purifiers had almost identical results in our performance tests, and this is a fact that makes it a bit difficult to choose a winner. However, due to more affordable maintenance, sleep mode options, as well as longer-lasting filters, the Levoit Core 300 is, in our opinion, a better choice to buy than the Medify MA-25. In spite of that, the Medify is not a bad choice either, especially if regular filter replacement is not too expensive for you, because you would also be qualified for a lifetime warranty in addition to new filters. See the detailed comparison at airpurifierfirst.com. All links can be found in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.